Espresso coffee machine cappuccino maker with 19-bar pump and built-in powerful milk frother and steamer. One-touch brewing for cappuccino. Latte Mokka single double cups function for espresso with self-cleaning function. One-touch brewing function. One-touch operation espresso machine, easily to brew really superior single espresso, double espresso, cappuccino, and latte with a simple one press. 19-bar high-pressure system. 19-bar high-pressure pump is essential for well-brewed espresso with thick layer of crema.Provide the right amount of pressure for flavor extraction. 0.10 seconds short time brewing. Force a small amount of nearly boiling water, though finely ground coffee to make true espresso. Customized cup of espresso customized. The cup of espresso.It need you to control the volume of espresso. brew.The intelligent system can make the single or double cup espresso as you want. 2-in-1 espresso machine for cappuccino with automatic built-in milk frothing. Can be used as espresso coffee machine, cappuccino machine and latte machine. Customize milk-based espresso. Easy cleaning. Built-in unique semi-automatic cleaning and descaling function, a hassle-free cleaning and descaling that are further enhanced by the semi-automatic purge of the machine after each use. Removable drip tray. Grit and steam wand make it easy to clean. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.